that's super bumpin'. And for you to back it up and dump it, get it. Put your arms out front, lean side to side. They gon' be on you when they see you hit that Dougie ride. Ain't nobody getting with my bro from Morningside. He go by Bubba and he hit that dance like thunder. Okay, I ain't from Dallas, but I D-town boogie. I show my moves on to everybody trying to do me. I lead the functions and all the ladies trying to screw me. Now you just do you, and I'ma do it all day. Dudes love to hate, so they try to shoot me. Females be stuck to me, I think they try to glue me. I make the party shine bright when it started gloomy. This beat was bubble gum, so I had to chew it.
Taste me how to duck, taste me how to duck, taste me how to duck, taste me how to duck.
Everybody love me, everybody love me. Everybody love me, you ain't messing with my Dougie.
Taste me how to duck, taste me how to duck, taste me how to duck, taste me
Ano ba? Ang dami kong ginagawang trabaho. Dami ko pang tinatapos, oh.
Everybody love me, you ain't messing with my Dougie.
The name is John. For them dudes who don't know me, I know I'm from the West, but
Ano? Hindi ka ba titik? Ano sabi mo? Birthday ni Ate Mary? Kailan?
Ay.
Oo nga pala.
Teach me how to
Malapit na celebration sa Sunday na.
Baby, like smoke.
Invited ba ako doon?
Can you teach me how to Dougie?
Invited naman siguro ako.
All the girls love me. All I need is a beat that's super.
Hindi nga kami prepare eh. Oh, meron kaming gift. Ate Mary, happy birthday. Sana yung stay mo dito at yung pag-celebrate mo ng birthday dito eh maging memorable. At hopefully sana maging masaya kasi kasama mo yung mga addicts, solid Angeliners, and sana nakasama mo si Angie kahit konting saglit sana sa birthday mo. Huwag kang magbabago. Ikaw yung TS na grabe ang ka-addictan. Number 1 ka. Number 1. Ultimate addict. Happy birthday ulit, ate. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mary. Happy birthday to you. Bye-bye.
Everybody love me. Everybody love me. Everybody love me.
God bless you and your family. With you always and more happiness in life. Enjoy your stay here. I love you po. Bye.
Very happy birthday po. At sana maging happy ang birthday mo ngayon dahil makakasama mo kami ng mga Angeliners. And thank you po dito. At saka sana maging happy ka lang parati pag stay mo dito sa Pilipinas. At saka ate, God bless you po and sa family mo. Maraming salamat po sa lahat-lahat na nagawa niyo po sa group at sana po patuloy lang po kayo na nandyan parati para sa amin at kay Angie po. Thank you po, Ate Mary. I love you po.
Hi, Ate Mary! Happy birthday! Thank you sa friendship at saka I miss you na! Tagal na natin din nagkwekwentuhan. Sana maging happy kami tong araw na to at God bless kayo at sa pamilya. I love you! Kunin mo na ang lahat sa akin. Huwag lang ang aking mahal. Tama na tayo kasi ma-emote na masyado eh.
Wait, teka. Birthday natin Mary ngayon ah. Wait siya! Gumising ka na nga dyan. Birthday natin Mary. Mag-ibihis muna ako ah.
Hoy, Marge! Natulog na ka't lahat-lahat. Kumakain ka pa rin.
Wait lang, tatapusin ko pa to. Maya-maya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hi, Ate Mary. Happy birthday. Sana ngayong birthday mo, happy ka dahil kasama mo kami. At saka si Angeline. Ingat ka palagi and love you, Mama Chup Chup.
Hi, Ate Mary. Happy birthday. Alam mo, loves na loves kita. Kaming mga solid Angeliners. Parang ginawa mo na ang Philippines na Quiapo to sa US, papunta dito sa Philippines. Ingat ka lagi. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye.
Hello, Ate Mary. Happy birthday. Sana okay ka lagi. Tsaka thank you sa lahat ng tulong mo sa group. Tsaka yun, God bless. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Mary! Bye-bye!
Hi, Ate Mary. Happy birthday. I love you. Teach me how to duck. Teach me how to duck. Teach me how to duck. Teach me. Dito. Ay, 1 minute.